In 1966, Ali refused the U.S. Army draft and a call to fight in the Vietnam War. The move cost him his heavyweight title, his boxing license, and widespread public support. While the boxer summarized U.S. anti-war sentiment at the time with one offhand quote, "Man, I ain't got no quarrel with them Viet Thanh." Now, Ali fought accusations that he was just dodging the draft. And in 1971, Ali finally won his battle in court. It was his humanity that truly made Ali great. His courage to speak out for justice helped galvanize the U.S. civil rights movement and end the Vietnam War.